Alright, well hey y'all, we're back today with another eBay store order. This here is a set of accelerator pump squirters, standard. And they are going out to a Mr. Bradley P. out of Tower City, Pennsylvania. So Mr. Bradley, I do appreciate it. We're going to get this in the mail to you so you can get your project back underway. That's our main channel, Dixie Customs. Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. Appreciate it if you check that out. Appreciate the order. We'll get this sent off to you so you can get your carburetor back working. I know how it is to have carburetor problems. We've had them on everything we got around here. Come on now. Used to be ornery this morning. All right, Mr. Bradley. There you go. We'll send it to you in the mail. And if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel and watch our videos. And we'll catch you on the next one.